Updates in Anaesthesia Current 2017 was highly energetic, exciting, inspiring, didactic and educational with a huge participation of Nepalese anesthesiologists. So this year, 2018, we are back with more fascinating updates and advances with the name Current 2018. It will be a milestone in the education tour of Nepal. Hope you will not miss this time. I'm very eager to be part of it and drive to the venue. What about you? I have reached Tribhuvan University Teaching Hospital. Let us enter inside to know what this program has to offer us this year.
The world is changing every day, so as the medical science. As an anesthesiologist, we face challenges every day in our practice. To overcome our doubts, confusions, and hesitations, and to practice evidence-based medicine, we need to update ourselves. This is why we bring you this program, Current 2018. 12 different topics related to anesthesia, critical care, and pain medicine. 12 distinguished speakers from all across Nepal come together to update our knowledge in different fields of anesthesia.
I'm a part of it.
I'm part of it.
Save the dates. 22nd December 2018, Saturday. Come join us.